Hey everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. I have made a lot of videos related to Instagram, so if you want to check those videos, then just tap on this button. For now, we will see how to make a poll on Instagram story. So without further delays, let's get into our video. For doing so, first of all, just open Instagram. And from here, you have to just tap on this your story option. And at the bottom you can see we have different options like create, normal. You have to select right and select the option of create. Just tap on this tab to type, and at the top just tap on this. After that you can see the option of poll. Now here you can ask any question. For example, I will just ask as, so by default our options are yes or no. You can always change these options, so I will change this option as this. And now I will click on this send to, and here I will tap on this share. So it will be shared to my Instagram story. And if I click on this your story option, and here you can see that I have added this poll to my Instagram story. Okay, so hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.